Simon, what do you think are the biggest primary challenges for Slovenian energy system?
I believe the challenges we're facing right now is that with increased share of renewables and also differences in demands and production between the months, the system will not be able to hold for much longer with its current level of quality of the service. So the system needs to transform in such a way that with the introduction of new, let's say, methods, new services, it can adapt to these challenges without too many investments in the future years.
Mm-hmm. It's interesting approach. And if we continue this thought, what are the main action points that we need to do in order to achieve these positive results?
We need to introduce more digitalization in all aspects so that more data will be produced, transferred, and used at several levels and at several stakeholders to get more insight into the current conditions of the grid, to be able to react better to these changes.
Mm-hmm. You had a very interesting lecture about cybersecurity.
Thank you.
I know it was very well received by our audience. Could you have a quick sum up of your main important points of the presentation?
Okay, security and actually cybersecurity on all levels is getting more and more important because we are more and more digitalizing our system, which means that it gets more open to the external factors, and hence it is more also a potential target for malicious actions, for hackers, for anything else that's right now happening in the world. And the system as such needs to be elevated in order to be able to defend itself against such attacks. And that's also our basically our architecture of our solution is helping the distribution companies to achieve that.
Mm-hmm. And more information our audience also can find in your presentation, in the materials that we will distribute, so it will be available there. And my last questions, what were the insights that you have taken with you after the presentation?
Well, I believe that the audience received it well enough to be able to understand that more effort will need to be put into upgrading the systems, not only on the cybersecurity part, but also on the grid resilience, and that I hope that there will be more collaboration between all the actors in the energy sector in this respect.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.